Last week, following a 4-week trial, an Alabama jury handed boat repairman Mark Griffin a $70 million victory after he contracted a flesh-eating bacteria in 2019. According to Griffin's lawsuit, Tyson, an industrial plumbing contractor, Hydraservice, were responsible for a large wastewater spill that led to his infection. In June 2019, Tyson's River Valley Ingredients facility in Hanceville discharged an estimated 220,000 gallons of partially treated wastewater into Mulberry Fork, a major tributary of the Black Warrior River. The spill was caused by a, quote, mechanical failure traced to some temporary piping installed by Hydraservice. According to a report from AL.com, Griffin lives some 30 miles from the plant. Given his profession, he has spent most of his life on the Black Warrior River, but he became severely ill after coming in contact with bacteria in the water. Griffin contracted necrotizing fasciitis and had to undergo multiple surgeries. Some 7 years later, he still has an open wound and a bone infection in his hips and pelvis. The jury awarded $25 million in compensatory damages, $45 million in punitive damages. Griffin said he is, quote, thankful for the jury's decision, and he hopes the verdict will prevent similar incidents in the future. The lawsuit claimed the local water utility said the water was safe to drink, and the initial lawsuit actually targeted the water board, but a judge dismissed the claims before the trial. Tyson has been sued multiple times over the spill. The state secured a $3 million settlement with the company, at least half of which is earmarked for remediating local communities. A separate case was brought against Tyson and Hydraservice by more than 70 landowners over lost property value. Tyson Foods said it was, quote, disappointed in the outcome and maintains that the discharge did not cause Griffin's injuries. Tyson Farms bought the Hanceville facility in August 2018 and said it has worked hard to improve and upgrade the location. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.